All right, so this is my worst graphics card, and it's about 13 years old. So let's put it in my computer with a GTX 1050. First, let me check the thermals. It's not coming out. Jesus Christ. I mean, that's still decent, but there's like nothing on there. This graphics card, 15. It's older than me. Buy this thermal paste. All right, so now we just feed it. This seems like enough. Now I just click these buttons. We got our thermal paste. Now let's put it in. This one does 4K just fine. I'm gonna do 4K on that one. It's in there. All right, let's cut it on. It's looking very stupid. Wow. Well, that's not good. I'm pretty sure it's an AMD Radeon, so I guess I gotta get AMD Radeon drivers. We gotta download it. Oh, bet. This is for the way newer ones. Now it's doing it for my CPU. Okay, so the GPU in, but like, if we look in here. Oh no, the GPU is freaking dying. All right, so the first thing we're finna do though is we finna just like play a 1080p video or 4K vid on here with YouTube, cause this could handle 4K easily. And so just finna do it nice. Also, Windows 8, if y'all want it, there's a code on the back over there, right there. Yeah, I don't want that. I treated you bad. Actually, we just gonna play a normal YouTube video.
On the Radar Radio freestyles, yo, Pay Gotti back in the building for part 2. I'm gonna step out. He gonna step
It's automatically putting it on a terrible frequency. Oh no.
Hand-me-downs and cold winters. Life was ugly as a kid. They didn't give your boy a chance. I promise I'm
It only goes up to 1080p. Pops it down for hours. Okay, well now it's loading. GTA 5, boys. I swear, if my Rockstar isn't even signed in, I'm gonna be so mad. Okay, let's see. My space bar, Jesus. Okay, technical problems just happened, but now we can. I'm pretty sure Battle I just launched the game. Okay, so that is a no with GTA. But can I play Teardown? Teardown isn't even that like crazy with graphics. So, oh my god. This is the best I have to show y'all. Hold on. This is the best I have to show y'all how good it's gonna run it. So let's check this boy out, man. Holy crap, it's lagging. it's still loading. I already clicked this. I'm clicking it multiple times. Oh, there's a scratch on my monitor. It's not doing anything. Yeah, so this is a great gaming GPU. Can I open the Windows thing? Okay, well, thank you. What is going? Did it just turn off BMG Drive? We're just gonna turn on BMG Drive. This'll be terrible, bro. Maybe. Dang it. Okay. So we're just gonna go into free roam. Automation test track. I need more RAM. I have 8 gigs. That's it. Yeah, we're just gonna do that. Alrighty, let's get into the game. This is taking 4. I hear so. Okay. Very smooth. Oh my god, it's so smooth. I don't know what this is supposed to do. Okay, so we're gonna get into a rec real quick. I know you can't see. You can barely see because of the script that popped up. Yeah, oh god. You know, I think the car's a little broken there. Okay, well that sucked. So let's switch it to the other thing. Alright, let's go. Let's see how hot it is first. It is very hot. Yeah, this thing is hot. Let's shove in my original graphics card. I just plugged it in while it was on. That was stupid. One of the flexes is that my graphics card can actually run GTA Yep, my phone ain't gonna work. Oh, yeah, so, yeah. So we're gonna, BMG Drive, right? Yep. So, yeah, my card can run BMG. Let's see how that does. So, BMG Drive in this one will probably be a lot better. This is already faster. You can tell that the graphics card was doing a lot bad things, so just connect my controller. Same car. Let's start free roam. Oh yeah, it loaded. Okay. Oh my god. Yeah, this is way faster. So this is very good. This is extremely good. So I'm gonna try to get into a wreck and see what happens. Let's see how we do. Yeah, that's way better. Oh Jesus, my cars. I'm just gonna keep driving. Ain't no one finna catch me. Oh wait, no. No. I'm still a great driver, bro. I'm still a great driver, bro. But my graphics card does good. Peace out, y'all.